Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, story progression, and any event tokens required. Once confirmed, equip Wolf's primary weapon, one support gear for sustain, and a single passive chip that boosts damage or crit. Start the first engagement on an easy node to validate gear synergy. While fighting, observe recoil patterns and cooldown timings to learn when to chain skills. Don't waste mats. Target the minimal resource nodes first to get feel and repeatable drops quickly. Once you have basic gear stability, optimize upgrades. Push Wolf's weapon 2 to 3 enhancement levels, focusing on attack or crit chance depending on build. Next, adjust support gear to counter the node. Survivability for heavy hits, speed for quick clears. Reassign chips so you run one offensive booster, one defensive buffer, and one utility for sustain or mobility. While playing, make micro-adjustments. Test alternate skills in live combat, and track clear time improvements to decide which stats to prioritize. To finish a run, execute Wolf's burst rotation timed with enemy vulnerability windows. Chain your highest damage skill after debuffs land, then use sustain tools to survive the counterattack. Once done, evaluate performance. If clear rate is under 60%, swap a chip or change weapon specialization and rerun the node. If problems persist, troubleshoot common issues, verify low latency, ensure correct skill ordering, and check you're not capped on resource region. Making one targeted change per run yields measurable gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.